Hello, my lovely friend, welcome. We have made it all the way to clue number 5 of our year-long mystery crochet along, and we have a beautiful stitch pattern for you this month. You've recently finished up all of the gorgeous previous clues, including last month's beautiful chevron pattern. So let's go ahead and jump into this clue. For this clue, we're creating a stunning square that almost looks like a spider web. And we also have a beautiful chain looping technique, which is so gorgeous, and I find it so fascinating. I grew up using this technique to make blankets, and I always loved it so much. This month, we are focusing on cultivating creativity. Creativity is that quiet whisper of possibility. It grows louder and louder until you must bring it into fruition. And sometimes it can be messy and wild because we're carving a brand new path that didn't exist before. But it can be so fun and so thrilling. And so I encourage you this month to try something new, think outside the box, and just have fun with it. To work this clue, you're gonna need our Birch Forest Sunset Crema Worsted yarn. It's a warm, plummy shade, and I think you're gonna love it. So head to expressionfiberarts.com to get the yarn and download the next clue, and you will be all set. And of course, remember to stay signed up for email updates because that's where we're going to be announcing the next clue. For this clue, you're going to be working some gorgeous little clusters. I wanted to show you how to work those as well as how to work a cluster at the start of your row, in which you're going to use a starting chainless double crochet. To work a cluster, you're going to go ahead and start with the yarn over and insert your hook into the indicated stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2. Go ahead and do that again, yarn over and insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 3. And it should be looking like this. Now to work a cluster at the start of your row, you're going to start with a chainless starting double crochet. To do that, go ahead and pull your yarn up to about twice the height of a stitch, and you're going to wrap it counterclockwise. Then go ahead and put your index finger on your loop and wrap it again counterclockwise, so you should have 2 loops on your hook. Then you're going to go ahead and yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Then insert your hook into that starting stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through 2. Then we're going to stop, and we're going to go ahead and complete our cluster with a yarn over and insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now that you have 3 loops on your hook, go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So have a blast this month, and remember to follow those whispers of creativity. All right, my beautiful friend, I will see you in a month with another clue. Bye! Mwah.